Montana Science Center. My name's Corbin, and I'm 6. How come chickens lay eggs?
Hi Corbin, it's Sarah with the Montana Science Center, and I'm going to be answering your question today. So Corbin, the short answer to this question is that hens or chickens, hens are the female version of chickens, lay eggs in order to reproduce or to have babies. And it's important that they do this so that the species does not go extinct or die off completely. And there are 4 different distinct stages of a chicken's life cycle that I have here in these figurines. So I'm going to go over that life cycle with you right now. The first stage is the egg stage. So the hen or the female chicken will lay eggs. If they are fertilized eggs, they will go on to produce chicks inside the egg. If they're unfertilized, they will not go on to produce chicks, and they just don't grow anything inside of them. So the fertilized eggs go on to grow a chick inside of them. And conditions have to be pretty ideal for the fertilized eggs to go on to produce a chick. There are certain temperature guidelines for all of that in order for those chicks to grow healthy and effectively. Then that chick hatches out of the egg, and we have a chick outside the egg, as seen right here, before it finally goes on to be an adult chicken. This one is a rooster, so the male chickens are roosters and the female chickens are hens. The hens lay the eggs. I hope that answered your question, Corbin. My question to you all is, do you like to eat eggs? If you like to eat eggs, what kind of eggs do you like? My favorite are scrambled. We'll catch you next time. Bye.